Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix an error occurred problem on YouTube. At first, go to your phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, and now search for YouTube app. Scroll down, click on storage, clear cache and clear app data. And now click on permissions and make sure all permission is enough. Now go to your Play Store and check update your YouTube app. It's already updated. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.